Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service to Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator of a Hyundai i40. This one is a 2013 model, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the indicator showing up when you start the car. Okay, before we start I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service to Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start right away. First, we have to turn the ignition onto the second position. Then we're gonna use the menu button on the steering wheel. That's this button. This button. Press it to go through the menu on the top side of the screen, like this. And this one is the surface indicator. I just reset it yesterday, and I'm going to show you how I did this. Okay, you have to press the arrow down button under this button. Keep pressing that. And once you have done that, you'll see that the indicator pops up to 15,000 kilometers and 365 days. Turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, scroll through the menu, then you'll see that the indicator is now due to 15,000 kilometers. That was it for this video. I hope this video helped you. Leave a comment if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.